Welcome to Old Friends, New Roads. My name's Keith.
And my name's Eric.
So another GoPro rant. Whole day of shooting shit on because the media mod mic wasn't working. Yeah, pretty dissatisfied with GoPro at this point. So we're recording again. We'll see if my comms video is salvageable. But so we're working on wiring today. What you're gonna see is, let's do a slow. That's everything that's got to go on my bike. We think we got it worked out. This intercepts the harness, and then all this stuff is what goes to the trailer. And I think the idea is that you're only taking the signal from your harness and not any power.
Right.
So we got a fuse that we're going to run to the battery, and we're going to ground at the battery, and then we just got to figure out the trailer thing. I hope the trailer has the same colored wires.
Yeah, let's hope.
Yeah. Otherwise, we're going to have to try to figure out a way to power the lights to try to see what goes on there. Yeah. So we're going to get this on the bike, and I'll show you where I shove everything. All right, we got the ground and the power connected to the battery, and we're actually trying to rat hole most of these components just behind the battery there, because there's shit for space up top. So it may not work entirely, but it's a valiant effort. So we got everything just kind of loosely set in here. Last connection to make is the trailer hitch to the harness. Eric's over here peeled the grody off the old wires. We're just gonna end up cutting that, stripping it off, and replacing it. So
Sweet.
boom. Yeah, all right. Hopefully my battery's not dead. I don't see any smoke. I see lights on the trailer. Right. No brake?
You got right brake, the left goes out when you press the brake now. Hazards work. Hold your brake, see, so you can see it.
Yeah. Turn off the hazards.
That's gonna be a pain. Figure out.
Yeah, left one's kind of dim anyway.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the bulb.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, blinking.
It blinks?
Oh, on the left turn signal, or is it yellow?
It's the yellow.
Oh, maybe it's.
The bulb, the
Bulb.
high, yeah,
Yeah, okay.
right on that. Running lights work.
Yeah. Little crack there. Didn't notice that. Running light. My lights are on. All the lights are on. All right. Time to test drive.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Well, we just got back.
Maiden voyage.
Maiden voyage. So there's a little bit of a learning curve on the camber of the tires and the air pressures, but it just went super good.
Yeah, it looked nice. Looked smooth.
Yeah, pulls beautifully, like everybody said it would. So I guess all that's left is sprucing it up.
Yeah,
Paint and decals. So it's gonna be our own little promotional trailer. So thanks for helping me, Eric.
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks for watching.